Welcome. So now we'll go to the other section of this course, which is set your monthly goals clearly. You need to set your monthly goals clearly, step by step. You need to be very clear that how much you're going to earn, how much you're going to spend, what are your liabilities, what are your assets. If you are in debt, so plan that what liabilities you have, how you're going to set your goals so that you can achieve that goal, so that you remove debt, and you need to be very clear about it. Okay, then start reading affirmations that how you're going to achieve what activities you are going to do, what actions you are going to take to achieve that goal, so that you will get debt free, and you will start earning more than enough so that you can sustain for like years. Okay, make a big goal. Okay, so then all small problems will go away, and write in affirmations, read it, listen it, so it will help you. Daily goal writing, like daily write goals, what kind of house you want, how much it costs, which car do you want, how much it costs, utilities, what are your utilities, insurance, other bills, vacations, travel, write it down. Kids education, toys, entertainment, clothing, food. Total cost is like, if it is $37, $37,000, and you will get actual freedom number equal to like around 10 lakh thousand, like 1850,000 US dollars you will get around. And you need to like you need to know what are your expenses, how much money you require. So it's all about like you need to know how much money. It is just an example. You can you will see what is your number. Once you know that, what will happen, then you will start earning that much of money, so that all the problems, as I said, money is a problem machine, solves problem. So you need to know how much money you have to earn, so that you remove all those problems, all those tensions from your life, and debt from your life. You live a freedom, true freedom. Okay, in next video we'll learn about ancient Babylon wealth secrets. So rate us at Trustpilot, and write the comments, what have you learned, how you're going to change your life applying these principles in your life. Thank you so much.